Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black color, and this vehicle's going to be powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities. We do get the dual exhaust in the back with the tow hitch receiver, your rear park sensing, backup camera, and we do get the nice convenient spray-in bedliner with the nice short box. We do get a tailgate step as well, the nice looking rims, gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, side view camera, turn light spotlight indicated mirrors, and move to front, we got front park sensing, recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior. You do get a flat fold storage system, plenty of door space in the back, upgraded B&O sound system, cup holders and storage. We got rear vents, 12 volt and 2 USB-Cs with a 120 volt outlet. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, that B&O sound system up front as well. Parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, tailgate, and spotlights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 52,302 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, cruise control, lane centering, digital speedometer, RPMs, all the usuals on your main screen here. We got your main menu with My View, trip and fuel gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage. You get cup holders, we got wireless charging outlets, a nice power folding gear select with your center console that does turn into an interior work surface, perfect for your food, meals, laptops, paperwork, totally up to you. You got your storage below as well. You got some outlets. We got our 4-wheel drive, rear locking diff and drive modes, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, dual climate up front with heated front seats, 12 volt and 120 volt. Storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Auto stop, auto start with your 360 view of the vehicle. Go for different camera angles here as well. Park chimes that you can turn on or off. Hazards, traction, and Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. We do get our audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. Got your phone controls right here. Your navigation, little red dot showing you where your vehicle's been pretty well literally everywhere. Search recent saved, have your audio open at the same time, or other widgets. Fave apps such as messaging, email, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right in here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8358, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.